In this video, you'll learn how to change your eBay account from personal to business. By following these steps, you will enhance your selling capabilities and access advanced features that support larger sales operations. Begin by logging into your eBay account. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings page, which can typically be found under the drop-down menu associated with your username. Look for the section labeled Personal Information or Account Type. Here you will see your current account type displayed along with information regarding business requirements. Next, find the option to upgrade or change your account type to a business account. This option will allow you to enter your business information, including your company name and registration details. It is essential to provide accurate contact billing information during this process. Review all the details you have entered carefully before proceeding to submit the change request, as incorrect information may lead to verification issues. After you submit the request, you will need to wait for confirmation from eBay. This process may take some time, so be patient. Once your request is approved, your account will officially operate as a business account. At this point, you may notice that you have gained access to additional selling tools and analytics that can help you manage your sales more effectively. It is important to monitor your account settings after the change has been made to ensure all information is accurate and up to date. Business accounts provide support for professional selling activities and improve your credibility as a seller. Maintaining proper account management is crucial for the growth of your business. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.